Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Go to search bar and click on settings. Click here to open it. Then go to accounts. Scroll down and click on family and other accounts, users. Then you need to click here and select this option. Again, select this one. Now enter the details here. New password, new name, security questions. And then click on next. Now click here and then just sign out. Here we go, the new account is created. Now just enter the password here and hit enter. Wait for some time. Now you need to click on accept, and here we go. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.